Go ahead, get us a thumbs up. Go ahead and watch my other videos, because I promise those are just as equally entertaining and helpful as this one could be, should be for you today.
Shorty says she like my teeth, okay, forever, ever. You would never tell a lie.
What's up, Face Fam? Welcome back to another video. How you doing? How you been? I'm sure you guys can tell by the title what's going on in this video. I bought a RevAir. If you're my friend on Facebook, you've probably already seen that I bought a RevAir, and you probably already know that it's not a good idea for me to online shop at 12 a.m. because that's how I ended up purchasing said RevAir. On this video, I'm just using this RevAir for the first time, and I'm also clipping my ends because they really needed to be clipped. If that's something that you're interested in seeing, just keep on watching. First things first, I just washed my hair, deep condition and all that good stuff, and this, oh, okay, hair come through. Let's get into this RevAiring. So I did get this. It's a 10, what is this called? Silk Express Miracle Silk Leave-In, and I just got it because I don't know, it's supposed to like make your hair smoother while you're blow drying it out or whatever. Altogether, I now have 4 sections on each side, and then I'm splitting each one of those sections into 2. All right, let's see.
Perfect.
finally finished, and this is what it's looking like. I'm just going to put some whipped shea butter in my hair just to keep it moisturized, and then I'm going to use my Sulfur 8 and Dew Girl mix on my scalp to keep it moisturized, and that's it. I'm just gonna rock this young blowout look until I feel like doing my hair again, or until my scalp start itching. But yeah, this is what that's looking like. This is the back, the side. So final thoughts on the RevAir are, it's definitely worth the money. I feel like it is worth the money just because it really does a good job at reducing heat damage, because this is the same look that I would get if I was using a blow dryer and a brush. And if I was using a blow dryer and a brush, like, I would be sweating. Like, there would literally be sweat dripping from my armpits right now. My scalp would be sweating because this whole room would be hot. I wouldn't be really getting heat damage, but my hair would be touched to the what am I trying to say? My hair would be hot to the touch, like, right after I get done blow drying that specific part. But with the RevAir here, my hair was not hot to the touch after I pulled it out, the little suction thing. So I feel like it really does a good job at reducing heat damage, and it gives me like the same kind of look, you know? So I'm really rocking with it. One thing that I kind of don't like about it is you can't put anything on your hair before you do it. So you got to make sure that you put like a really good moisturizer on after you're done, so your hair doesn't get super dry and brittle and just run away from your head. It's definitely a good investment. So if you're like me and you're high-key afraid of heat damage, then I highly suggest putting a RevAir in your budget. If you gotta save for it, you know, whatever you gotta do. If you just gonna be shopping online at 12 a.m. and just buy it on a whim because it was on sale and you also had a 10% coupon, do that, okay? Do you. Treat yourself. But I definitely think that if you like to, you know, get the blowout look often and you don't want heat damage, then the RevAir is definitely for you. Those are my thoughts on this product, and I really like it. And comment down below what you guys think about the results that the RevAir gave me. And while you're there, you might as well go ahead like and subscribe, because, you know, that never hurt anybody. That's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.
I'm a buff baby, but I dance like a man. She a nice lady and she shaking the yams. Spent the whole summer trapping out the sedan. Marching with the bands cause I think that I can.